What's going on YouTube? Today we'll be talking about what kind of brokers do I recommend using when, setting up your Forex account or just beginning on your Forex journey. So all I have is just two from experience. I got Millennial Traders and Hugosway, one I use personally right now. So I'm going to show you how to set them up, how to deposit your money in there, and it's as simple as that. This video is really quick and easy, so make sure you leave that thumbs up so I can get some more subscribers and stuff like that, and I'll be sending more content your way. So let's go and get started. All right, so the first one is Hugosway. It's pretty self-explanatory. You know what I'm saying? You go ahead and put your first name, then you put your last name, then you put your email address, and then you put your birthday, and then after that you'll be they'll run you through some steps where they'll ask you some questions, your phone number, your street address, stuff like that, to go ahead and get started. I'm gonna show you how to put money in there from Cash App really quickly too, but just for the sake of video, let's just go ahead and finish this up. All right, so right now we're at my dashboard. This is mine. All you have to do is deposit, to deposit money in there, you need a minimum of $10. So this is how you basically do that. You go to Cash App. Then you want to go to Bitcoin. You just want to buy Bitcoin or get a Cash App. Just to go ahead and put some money into Bitcoin. I'll leave a description in below for that. And then you see this little send and receive. Well, first you gotta buy it. So at first you need to buy the Bitcoin, but it's very easy. They have everything up for you to just go ahead and deposit funds and stuff. So I'm about to show you guys that right now. So you go to deposit funds. You want to select Bitcoin as your wallet, deposit 10. And then all you do is just copy that URL. That code, my bad. You just copy that code and then you go to Cash App and then you input the amount of what you want to send over there. Now, it doesn't matter if you sent $15, but you only requested the deposit 10. The computer will fix that up, so no worries there. The last one is Millennial Traders. Like I said, I just wanted this video to be quick. It's the same thing. To create an ECN account, which is like Forex, electronic brokers and stuff like that, you want to have $100 deposited in there. That's their rule, which there's not really enough about it, but that's why I showed you guys Hugosway first, just because the pay to get in is very, very low. But yeah, so if you have any questions or comments about